So we have as, because, and since as reason connectives. They give the reason, they come before reason showing sentence, reason showing clause, let's say. Okay, so look here. There is a little difference. As and before, they show positive or negative reason, both. They can be in positive and negative, both type of sentences. But for since, we use negative reason only. Okay, look here. I didn't attend the class as or because it was raining heavily. This clause is positive, that's why we are not using since here. Only as and because you can use interchangeably. And for this year, I didn't attend the party since they didn't invite me. So look here, this is negative. Okay? After since, you should have negative reason showing clause. Okay, but for as and because, both can be okay. Clause positive and negative, both reason showing clause, we use as and because. Okay, and another reason showing connectives are due to and because of. Due to and because of. For due to and because of, we don't have clause. Okay, as in spite of and despite, we use only noun phrase after due to or because of. Look here. So look here, because of or due to, then directly heavy rain. There is no subject verb object. There is no clause. Okay, no clause, but noun phrase. There is noun phrase immediately after because of or due to. Then look here, I couldn't attend my class because of heavy rain or due to heavy rain. I couldn't attend my class. You cannot say it was raining heavily. Okay, here it was raining heavily. You can't say directly. You have to put noun phrase here immediately after because of or due to. So read once. Because of or due to heavy rain, I couldn't attend my class. So this is the reason, okay, and this is the result, okay. So now I have purpose showing connectives. They are so that and in order to. You may already know this. Still, look here. Let's analyze these two sentences. I go to bank so that I can cash my check. The purpose of going to bank here is to cash the check. Okay. So this is the purpose and this is the action. Okay. Here I go to bank in order to cash my check. Here is full clause, so that plus full clause, and in order to plus bhavan. Okay, whenever there is bhavan, after dash or gap, you use in order to. In order to immediately needs bhavan. Okay, that's very clear. So that needs clause for showing reason. I think you are clear. So that and in order to both show the purpose. Okay, and for in order to, we use before bhavan, and so that for whole clause. Okay, so that I can cash my check. So let's say once again, I go to bank so that I can cash my check. I go to bank in order to cash my check. Here is bhavan, here is full clause. Okay, that's it. Okay, however, but still yet, these can be used interchangeably. this is less formal, okay, less standard, and others are more standard. Okay, if there is but, you can very easily know these things. In the place of but, you can say however, still, yet. He didn't labor hard, however, but still, yet he passed the exam. This is also contradiction. This is also showing unexpected result. You can say he didn't labor hard, but he passed the exam. You can say that. So in place of but, you can use however, still, and yet. It's very simple. Okay, try using however. It's more standard and more formal, and also more advanced. Okay, so another here is, so therefore, hence, consequently. These show expected result, not unexpected but expected result. These show expected result. He worked hard, so therefore, hence, consequently, he passed the exam. This is expected. He had worked hard, that's why he passed the exam. This is expected. Okay, so therefore, hence, consequently. If you are familiar with so, you can use these all. So in place of so, you can use therefore, hence, consequently. They look very formal and more standard. Okay, so this is for expected result. He worked hard, so he passed the exam. He worked hard, therefore he passed the exam. Hence he passed the exam. It's okay. So I think you are clear about this. Okay. Lastly, I have nevertheless or nonetheless. Look here, you can analyze from this sentence. This can be used interchangeably. He always neglects me. He doesn't like me. Nonetheless, I respect him very much. Okay? He neglects me, but I respect. So, in this situation, we use nevertheless or nonetheless. There is contradiction. There is contradiction, but look at the situation. He neglects, but I respect. Okay? He always neglects me. Nevertheless, so let's say if you go to Nepali, it is tai pani, tai pani, I respect him very much. He neglects, you are annoyed because of his habit, still you respect him. He always neglects me, nevertheless, I respect him very much. Okay, so my connectives presentation today is over. I'll give you some exercises. I'll give you 5 sentences, and you have to put the connectives I have taught here. So these are 5 questions you have to try at home. Okay, there is space He is handsome. Rita doesn't like him. He is handsome. Rita doesn't like him. Being very old. Being very old. She lives an active life. I go to Australia. I can complete my international degree. I want to live in city, enjoy cozy life. She came late, traffic jam. Okay, you try to fill these and try to learn more connectives. There are so many connectives to improve your spoken and written English. You try at your home, try hard, and all the best. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. There are more videos to come. They will be more beneficial to you. That's it. Thank you.